Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're ready to do some simple maintenance items on your car because you know going to the dealership and independent shops can be expensive, there are certain things you can do yourself that are pretty simple, like changing the air filter, for example. This morning we're working on a 2021 Honda HR-V. We're going to swap out the air filter. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do it. It's easy, you can do it, and in the description below the video I'll put a link to the filter I used, and if you choose to use that, you'll have an easy way to find it. Let's get started. Okay, with the hood open, this is just what the new air filter looks like. I pulled it out of the box, and this is the box it came in, and here is that part number if you want to take a look at that. I'll list that in the description below the video. Okay, your air filter goes right up here in this box. If you're unfamiliar, your air intake is right here. Goes through this hose right into here. So there are 3 clips that hold it in place. There's 2 on this side and 1 right here. We're going to release those. Okay, in opening the box, once you've released the 3 clips, on the back of the box, there's actually 2 tabs. They go into slots in the back that align the top on. Take the old filter out. It's pretty dirty. Slip the new one in. It'll drop right into place. Just make sure those little tabs are lined up in those slots. The top goes back. Once you get the top in those little slots, it lays down perfectly. Then put your tabs back on, and you're done. That was simple. If you've learned something today, man, I appreciate it. A thumbs up would be great. I hope this helped you out. Hope you watch our other videos. We do other things besides just pure maintenance. We also do LS swaps on OBS trucks and some other stuff. It's not just maintenance. So we got a variety going on. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.